The bread challenge is a challenge where you have to eat a piece of bread in under 45 seconds with no water. You can also eat 2 pieces of bread in under 2 minutes. The bread dries out your mouth very quickly, which is why the challenge is so difficult. The Saltine Cracker Challenge is a challenge where you have to eat 6 saltine crackers in 60 seconds or less, with no water. The crackers dry out the mouth, which is why the challenge is so difficult. Swallowing is a challenge. The Banana and Sprite Challenge is a challenge where you have to consume 2 bananas and drink 1 liter of Sprite without vomiting. There's a chemical reaction between the two, which is why it makes you vomit. Also, the stomach can only hold half a gallon of liquid. The Cinnamon Challenge is a challenge where you have to swallow a spoonful of ground cinnamon in 60 seconds with no water. A high school student in Michigan, USA spent 4 days in a hospital after attempting the Cinnamon Challenge. The cinnamon dries out the mouth, which causes coughing, gagging, vomiting, and inhaling the cinnamon. This can cause throat irritation, breathing difficulties, and pneumonia. There are 70,000 mentions on Twitter daily. The cinnamon can clump and clog the airways. Accidental inhalation can cause infection and inflammation of the lungs. A high school student in Michigan, USA spent 4 days in a hospital after attempting the Cinnamon Challenge. In the first 3 months of 2012, the American Poison Control Center received at least 112 phone calls due to this challenge. There have been no reported deaths from this challenge. The Milk Challenge is a challenge where you have to drink 1 gallon of milk in 60 minutes or less without vomiting. It's difficult because of the limited space in the stomach. The stomach can usually only hold half a gallon of liquid. The only side effect of this challenge is that vomit erodes the human teeth because of the acid from the stomach. The Ice and Salt Challenge is a challenge where you have to put salt on your skin and then put an ice cube on top. You then have to see how long you can hold it before it hurts too much. There is an extreme burning sensation the longer you hold it. Holding it too long can cause 2nd and 3rd degree burns. Instead of it being like a burn from a fire, it's frostbite.